This Windermere Real Estate San Juan Island property video is presented by Linda McMahon. Year-round moorage, 30 by 9.75 slip located at Warbass Way Marina. Dues include water, garbage, coin-operated laundry, bathrooms, showers and pump-out facilities. The facility is currently closed for repairs awaiting a pump to arrive from Sweden. Power and phone available. 3-car short-term parking area above the marina, 72 hours. Street parking on Warbass Way and a long-term parking lot located at the south end of Harrison Street. Within walking distance to downtown Friday Harbor. For more information, review the details below.